This channel pulls in $10,000 each month. This channel pulls in $50,000 each month. This channel pulls in $100,000 each month. Want to go viral on YouTube in 2025? In this video, I'm giving you 3 channel ideas that are fresh, future-proof, and have the potential to blow up fast, even if you're just starting. Let's get into it. The first channel idea is animated storytelling. Why it's viral, we see 6 things. So the first one is visual engagement books longer watch time. As you see, animation is visually dynamic. Movement, expressions, effects all hold attention better than static talking heads. YouTube's algorithm loves high watch time and audience retention, so engaging visuals boost discoverability. The second one, emotional relate. Animated stories tackle deep, personal, or even taboo topics without showing the creator's face. Viewers connect more easily when visuals simplify or exaggerate emotional moments. It creates empathy. The third one is anonymity equals honesty. Creators can share real, raw stories like abuse, heartbreak, failure, and trauma safely behind animation. Viewers feel like they're hearing a secret. That intimacy drives comments, shares, and loyalty. The fourth one is short-form compatibility. Animated clips are perfect for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. A 10-second emotional or funny animated moment can rack up millions of views, pulling traffic to the full video. The fifth one is high brand monetization potential. Advertisers love animation because it's safe, family-friendly, and evergreen. Channels like The Odd Ones Out, Domix, or Storybooth have pulled in millions through merch, sponsors, and publishing deals. The last one is cross-niche flexibility. Animated storytelling can fit into any niche, like horror, motivational, drama, and any other niche. The next YouTube channel idea is a documentary. This channel makes $100,000 every year, and this channel makes $500,000. So why is documentary viral? Let's see 2 secrets. The first one is serious research. Let's see the Magnates Media. They research all things about the business of several companies with his team. And Magnates Media uses cinematic visuals, background music, and suspense-driven scripts, turning business history into a thriller. And let's see the other channel. Fern research about geopolitical and tradition. Fern keeps a strong narrative hook, often starting with a shocking fact or event. Example, the worst prison in America, so viewers feel compelled to stick around. The second one is the YouTube algorithm triggers. Let's see 2 things. 1. High watch time with long-form content keeps people on YouTube longer, which the algorithm rewards, so consistent audience retention with clear storytelling arcs keep viewers hooked until the end. 2. Click-worthy thumbnails and titles. Dramatic phrasing plus high-contrast visuals pull in clicks without feeling like cheap clickbait. The last YouTube channel idea is, wait, are you subscribed my channel? Please don't forget to like and share. Well, the last channel idea is education. This channel pulls about $40,000 every month. Why it's viral? Let me show you 3 keys. The first key is curiosity. Curiosity is universal because humans are wired to seek explanation, especially to questions they didn't even know they had until they saw the title. Titles like, The Most Dangerous Place in the Universe, or What Happens If You Don't Sleep for a Week, trigger the brain's information gap effect. We feel compelled to close the gap by watching. The second key is, people love to learn without feeling like they're in school. Educational YouTubers wrap lessons in storytelling, visuals, and entertainment, so learning feels like watching a mini movie. The last key is, algorithm loves long watch time and replays. Educational content, especially well-structured explainers, keeps people watching all the way through because you want the full answer. So finally, if you really want to go viral from here on out, choose your passionate niche and post consistently. And don't trust short-term goals like one-day post. It's my honest opinion.